What if instead of doing an entire skincare routine in the morning, we had one thing to put on our face? I was sent this super cream and let's see how it works for a dewy glow. I've used their super serum and loved it, but this one is one step better because now it has SPF 30 in it. So this has all the powerhouses for anti-aging. That's what it looks like. So nice, thick and creamy. Let's go ahead and put it on my face. It has a really nice light smell to it. I think it's a very, very pleasant smell. I'm pretty sensitive when skincare doesn't smell good, but this one smells so amazing. This absorbs into the skin really, really easily. And let's talk about these powerhouse ingredients. So you're getting vitamin C. That helps with dark spots. That helps brighten up your skin tone. This has niacinamide in it. This has hyaluronic acid in it. That helps with wrinkles, which I know is something I'm always battling every day. Don't forget to do your neck area. You can also do your chest area with this. You'll see that it gives you that instant glow, which is something I really, really love about this formula. And then it has that SPF 30 in it. So that's going to protect you from harmful rays from the sun. And actually 80% of aging skin is caused by the sun. So if you can protect your skin from the sun, you're well on your way to having that youthful look to it. Also has vitamin E and collagen peptides. Peptides are so important to help with your skin and just help you with that elasticity and everything. So this is really that powerhouse of everything all together. I think you're gonna love this cream and love the fact that you just need to put one thing on every morning and you're good to go.